Hey guys, this is a mystery unboxing. And yeah, you guys have to guess what's in here. I got this I kind of forgot when, but they put so much tape on this. Why did these people put so much tape on this box? I'm just gonna rip this box. These people are so dumb. They put so much tape in it. Get this box open. Is this a speaker? Did I just get scanned? We put a speaker in here. Or a speaker box. I don't know if my hamster's in there. Wireless charging headphones. That's great to know. Let's open this. The people put it in this. So, it's a small item, I guess. Oh, it's here. Guys, look. Can you guys tell what this is? Ooh. This thing cannot breathe. It needs to breathe. I'd rip the box open. My hamster! This is not working, the people said. My hamster! Look at my hamster! I'm gonna go pop some batteries in this. This thing is smaller than I expected. It's way smaller. I'm gonna have to open them up. The people said that he was not working. So peace out, have a nice day. I'm gonna do a video on it soon.